So welcome to my channel. I'm currently here in beautiful Phuket, Thailand. In fact, I'm right off of Korone Beach, the northern part of it, and it's a beautiful day here in March. And what I thought I'd do today, and right here behind me is my rental car, is I've been renting cars down here in Thailand in general, especially down here in the southern region of Thailand, of Phuket, for quite a number of years. And I've learned quite a bit over that time, and this video is kind of titled Renting a Car in Thailand and What to Look For. And hopefully some of these pointers will help you out if you plan on renting a car. So let's get going, and I'll show you some of the stuff that's helped me out throughout the years. And it's an absolute stunning day here early in the morning. Absolutely. Well, one of the first things, make sure you have a current international driver's permit, and this is mine right here. It says right here I'm from the United States, and inside there you have a little card, like a license card, and make sure it's current and it's up to date, and it's, you know, it's readable. You know, usually these things expire and you don't even know it, but you will be stopped. I've had mine checked in numerous times, and if it's not up to date, you can get fined for it, and they will impound your vehicle. So check that out. That's probably one of the most important things. Or have a Thai driver's license. That helps too. I'm actually working on one right now, so I'll have both. So international driving permit, Thai driver's license is a absolute must, and they're current. Now, number two is make sure your registration that you're getting the car from rental company is up to date. It's not expired. And I'll kind of show you what this car looks like. Sometimes they put them on the windshield, sometimes they don't, but this is what mine looks like here. And I also have a copy in the car with all the other information about the car, and it is current, because if it's not, again, when you go through some of these checkpoints, they'll kind of look at it and they'll wave you through, and if there's looks like it's may not be, they will stop you and they will impound the car once again if your registration is not current, and you'll have to pay a fine to get the vehicle back. So current registration, very important. Another shot of this beautiful Korone Beach. Next is car insurance, and I highly recommend that you have some type of insurance, whether you get it through the actual rental agent or you get it through some type of travel insurance company that you're working with. I get mine through, for this company, I just use the insurance from the actual agent, and it's been working out pretty well. And know what's actually covered, because you want to make sure that you have really good coverage. And I'm not really sure if you have to have it or not, but I wouldn't want to travel around Thailand without it. It's absolute must. So understand your insurance. That is a big one, and have it. Next thing you want to check for, make sure the car is in good running order, and also check those tires, okay? Oftentimes these rental companies just like to, you know, just keep renting them out, just kind of like recycle them, clean them up, rent them out, and sometimes the maintenance doesn't really get checked. So really important, the spare has all the tools in it to change a tire. Believe me, I've changed many a spare here in Thailand, and I always check the treads. You know, these are pretty good treads right here. I go all the way around the car and I check those. So that is very important, because this stuff does wear out, and sometimes the maintenance on some of the cars are not good, and you can always, hey, if it's not good, get another car. So check the condition and tires, very, very important, especially if you plan on doing a lot of driving. Now, next tip is make sure you do a real thorough inspection of the car, and this is very important. And you're gonna have the agent with you or a representative, and this is kind of what mine looks like. It has This is where all the marks and dents are. But the way to do this that works for me so it doesn't come back and haunt you is, one, have your phone with you. And what I do is I kind of start from one side and make my way all the way around. So let's say if I'm starting up here at the front right bumper, I'll just kind of start down here, and the agent is following me along with that little checklist, and I'm just following my camera all the way around. Yeah, there's a dent here. Just kind of going around, even getting the hubs, checking that out, you know, going around, and you get the idea until you go all the way around the vehicle until you get to the other side. And I just have everything there notated out, and that way with the camera and the video it won't come back to get you, because you actually have proof of it. That no, if they say, well, there's a dent here, and you said no there wasn't, and then you just show them the video and you'll be good to go. So always have some good evidence, you know, in case. That's the same thing with a motorbike too. And a real important one is actually understand the traffic laws here in Thailand. You know, just kind of read up on them, kind of understand them a little bit, and that way, you know, when you come through like a roundabout or sign, it may be a little bit different from your home country, and it's always good to know. And over here in Thailand, they ride on the drive on the left-hand side of the road. And if you're not familiar with that, when you first get the car, you know, your brain kind of like operates on the right, like me, you know, coming from the US. So what I do is, if I haven't done it in a while, I'll actually just go to like a low impact area, just kind of drive around, get comfortable, and you feel a lot better than that. So you get right out there in the mix of all the traffic. So. And the last thing I'd like to bring up is I call it either a blowout kit or a first aid kit, whether you're renting a motorcycle or a car. I think it's really important to have one, just for the sake that here, you know, you may have to self-care yourself until you can get some medical attention, and that's really important. And if you have something that you can use to self-care until you get really good care, that's a must. Whether it be some quick clot, some gauze, you know, tourniquet. I carry all that with me in the event that I need that, especially if you're riding a motorcycle. I have seen some serious motorcycle wrecks, and have actually stopped and helped out a lot, because you know what, nobody's gonna, the 911 service is not that fast. I mean, the person that's gonna help you is some pedestrian walking by, if they do that, or if you can, you're gonna self-care. So, well, this is the end of this video, and if this video has helped you out, you know, please give it a like in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. It does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya from beautiful Phuket, Thailand. Getting ready to go on a new adventure again. So see ya.